as I walk through the door. Designer, it's at the toe. Yeah, young nigga all about his dough. My nigga, come get your hoe. Yeah, pay cash, I don't have a note. Hell yeah, I want me a rose. Right. Spent 20 racks on my rose chain. These niggas hating it's so lame.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So if you read the title, you already know why you are here. We're doing a red tape in, so I'm super excited. This video is sponsored by Amazing and Beauty Hair, and this is pretty much everything that came with the packaging. So they send extra tapes, extra comb, and other accessories that's going to be needed. Also decided to go with 613 hair, so I'm very super excited. I will be showing you guys a couple of clips of me bleaching and coloring my hair as well. So yeah, super excited. So let's get into the video. Also, all the information will be listed down below in my description box. Make sure y'all check down below. So I'm about to go rinse this out. I was trying to pick through it to make sure like my curl pattern wasn't too freaking damaged for real, y'all. But since I am done with the bleaching process, I won't have to go back in for a third time. Thank God. Like, it's perfect. I can tell like it's good to go. So I'm going to be using, of course, I'm going to be using the shimmer lights. When I'm done, we're going to come back and put the color on. I just got so excited when I seen this. Ah, we doing this. But I'm so freaking hot. I got so excited when I seen this color. Oh, this is it, bitch. It's no turning back now. All right, so this is how my hair is looking. Okay, so right here I am retouching up the color because the first color attempt I did not like it because it was too of a red to me. Like, I don't know, I can't explain it, and it didn't give what it gave when I first went red. I'll insert pictures, but it just didn't give what it gave the first time, and I think it was because of the product that I used. So for the first color, I did use Manic Panic, but I didn't like the red, so I went back to the hair store and I got Adore. I went back to my roots. I got what I used the very first time I went red, and the first time I went red, I used Adore, I used Intense Red, and I used the shade Cherry, and I mixed those two colors up, and that's what I did this time, and it gave me the red that I was going for. The red that I had the first time I went red, it was just perfect. I can't explain, but y'all, reds are so different. I did not know, but yes, they are different. This is the red that I was really going for, that cherry red. I don't know if it's making sense, but it just gave a cherry darker red, so that's what I went for. So it's time to rinse this out. So I'm using the Bond Bar shampoo, and I'm also rinsing this out with some cool water until the water turns clear. So I'm just going to shampoo. I did go in and shampoo twice, and I'm just going to keep rinsing until that water turns clear. Y'all know how red is. If you don't know, then yeah, red is such a stubborn color. So it took a while for it to kind of rinse, but I was able to get the water to be somewhat close to clear. So yeah. Now let's move on to the extensions. So again, I am going to link all the hair information down below as far as the length and how many pieces. I had 80 pieces in total, y'all. I always end up getting just a bundle of 4, which comes in like 20 pieces per bundle. So I always end up needing 80 pieces, and usually my hairstylist never use all 80. Like, I always end up having like 7 or 8 pieces left over because I have really fine hair. So yeah, pretty much for the bundles, I'm just taking that same hair dye and I'm going in. I'm taking my time. Y'all want to make sure y'all take your time with this because you don't want to leave any blonde pieces left over. So I took my time. I spread the hair out to make sure I evenly coated each piece of strand with the red. And I went in, washed it, and rinsed it out. So yeah, the color came out so freaking pretty once it was dry. It was just gorgeous. So that's pretty much what you guys see me doing. I did try to attempt to watercolor this, but when I did the watercolor method, it did not give me the red that I wanted. It gave me like a pinkish red, and I did not want that. I want the red. So I was like, okay, let me just go in and just apply it by hand instead of doing it by the watercolor method, because it did not give what I wanted it. And I also kept it together. I did not unattach the pieces. I kept it together so I can easily be able to color it and wash it like in one bundle. Now I don't know if people usually split it up, but for me this was an easier way to do it, so this is how I did it. And yeah.
Soon as I walk through the door, designer is at the toe. Yeah, young nigga all about his dough. My nigga come get your hoe. Yeah, pay cash I don't have a note. Hell yeah, I want me a rose. Right, spent 20 racks on my rose chain. These niggas hating.
All right, so let's get into the actual install. So these are just some clips of me from the hair salon. Y'all know I was not about to put these tape-ins in by myself, okay? Tried it once, never again. I really highly recommend a hairstylist. That's just me personally speaking. So yeah, we're at the hair salon. My stylist did compliment me on doing a good job with coloring my hair, so I was really happy to hear that from a professional stylist, because I haven't bleached and colored my hair in years. So the only thing I was hoping for was it came out really good, and she said I did a really good job doing it because the color was very even. So I was happy to hear that. And the next couple of clips is just her pretty much going through the process before the tape-in. So she's going to wash and blow dry my hair, trim my ends for me, flat iron my hair, and all that good stuff. So I will be right back once she's installing the tape-in. So I'm going to let y'all watch and enjoy.
And it's so lame. I'm ballin' the road gang. Hop out the drop, smoking propane. I do my damn thing. Boy, you ain't nothing but the name shame. Smashing your bitch in your main thing. Come get your heart on my dang lane. Coop on the bitch like David Blaine. Bullets and running the shoestring. Drip some sauce and love this thing. You get the picture without the fire. Pull out the pistol, I bet that I bang. Play hop a with this motherfucking plane. I shoot the kiss when you know I got aim. You just a shit when I'm a thing. You know I get to the crew with my game. We paper right, it is not Wu-Tang. Soon as I walk through the door, designer is at the toe. Yeah, young nigga all about his dough. My nigga come get your hoe. Yeah, pay cash I don't have a note.
So right here, she's pretty much installing the tapes. And as y'all can see, baby, it's blended. It looks so freaking good. And right here, I'm just showing you guys like a close-up of her installing the tape-ins. And she did go in and spray it because the tapes were showing through white. So happy she did that. She added some pretty curls to my hair. It just came out so freaking good, y'all. Like, I'm so freaking impressed with it. The hair is really, really nice, okay? Very, very nice hair. It took the color well. And yeah, baby, we is red. Do you see? You can kind of see a little bit of my hair, but it's not too noticeable. Like, it still blends really, really nicely. I love how she really made this to where it looks so, like, I don't know. It just looks so blended so well. It looks so realistic. So I really, really love it. It came out so, so, so nice. I love the color, y'all. Like, oh, I'm so excited. So yeah, this is pretty much the wrap up of this tutorial. So let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Definitely check this hair company out. Don't forget to check down below in my description box for all of the details. I'll also link down the stylist information as well. So if you are in Dallas, then definitely check her out for color, extensions, etc. She did really, really good on my hair, so I really appreciate her. And yeah, thank you again to Amazing Beauty Hair for sponsoring this video. I love how my hair came out. The color is given. The red is given, baby. We are back red. So happy to be back. I think the red is here to stay. So yes, ma'am. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you girlies in my next video. Ciao.